Hey, so I bought these keycaps for my Razer keyboard. Uh, it's of the XVX brand, PBT keycaps. That's the material. So they seem to be pretty cool. I saw them before from another a video on the internet, and then I got to research how to find them. So I came across these ones. They have a very good price, um, and the the material around the keycap is translucent, so all the RGB will come through. Very, it's gonna look very cool. As you can see, my Razer, my keyboard has the regular keycaps, just all black, and it looks pretty cool. But I want to make it look even better. Right now it's disconnected. Let me connect. So right now it's playing an effect. It's playing a wave effect. So it looks pretty nice. It's the chroma edition, so it actually looks pretty nice already. But with the keycaps on, it's gonna look, the light is gonna float even in a more spectacular way. As you can see, these keycaps are the original ones. It's all black and just the translucent letters on the top, and the design is the regular MX clicker. So the keycaps that I bought are universal. It comes with 124 keycaps. I mean 141 plus 24. So it's gonna fit pretty much any keyboard out there. Mine is TKL, so I think mine is supposed to be 75%, but it's pretty much universal. So I just got it right now. I'm gonna disconnect the keyboard so I don't mess my screen over there. So these are it. It comes with the white keycaps to delineate the WASD controls, and so it has one for the spacer, enter. Also, I think, yeah, there's one for enter. So it's a pretty cool collection of keycaps, and they seem to, supposedly they are PBT double shot, so they are going to be very durable, supposedly. There's the black ones. It even comes with a keycap puller, the one that I have right here. I already do have one. So I'm going to install them right now, and then I'm going to make a little review of how I like them. If they look anything like in the video they have up there, they're going to look pretty cool. They have it right here. Let me see. As you can see, the colors come out like it's just a rainbow pomade. It looks pretty cool. and these are new. I hardly ever seen them anywhere at the PAX event. I think it's PAX East this year, the one that they just had recently. Somebody was showing them, and people were all over it, like, oh wow, that looks so beautiful. And I saw some videos on the internet talking about it, so it's pretty new. Um, and I I wanted to get them for since I saw them first time I saw them like a month ago, I think, from the guys that make this RGB control software. As you can see, this is the best RGB software that I've seen so far. It combines all of your RGB devices inside the PC, and also combines the keyboard and the mouse as well. Pretty cool. So they had this keyboard with translucent keycaps, and I really wanted to find them. So I'm gonna do a little review later, and gonna let you know how it looks. Okay, so I already installed all the keycaps. I didn't. The pack didn't come with this key right here. What's called the menu key, which is like a little notepad on the bottom row. I didn't find it on the black color keycaps. Maybe it's in these white colored ones, but I don't want to have a different color key here. So what I did is just I just installed the Windows keycap. You can see it right there. Let's see. It's the same one that goes on the Windows right here. Let's see. Turn on the there you go. It's a little bit more focused. So this is a Windows keycap, and I put one of these here. So that's the only issue I had with the keys. There is a ton of leftover keys. There's 2 bags left, so you can fit pretty much any keyboard. Some of the keys, like for this set right here, there's a couple of kinds. There are ones that are a lot more raised, and then there's these ones that are flush with the rest of the keys. So you have to kind of fish around for the correct keys. Everything fit except for the shift key. That's a little bit stiff, and if you press it a certain way, it kind of it kind of gets stuck for a bit, like if I press it like right here, it's sticks a little bit because the plastic is a little bit thicker, like a tiny bit thicker than the original. And also this shift, it doesn't get stuck. I mean, it doesn't really get stuck, like it stays pressed down, but you can feel it, like if you press it like right here in this corner, you can feel it like getting stuck a little bit. But it's not really an issue, unless you are a really fast typist, like doing a professional data entry or such kind of jobs. For gaming and for everyday typing like I do, it's not really an issue. Also, I'm going to turn on the light a little bit. The shift key has a little arrow on the left of the. See if you can focus. Yeah, has a little arrow on the left, which I'm not really a fan of. The original only said shift. I don't really like that arrow right there, and the enter also has the little. It has the little back arrow right there. I don't like that. Backspace is clean. It only says backspace, but on the Razer it says, on the Razer it has actually the arrow pointing back. So it's just a little detail that I am willing to overlook, so that I can enjoy the translucent bottom of the key. What else? These keys right here, I couldn't find an exact match. The function key is a little bit narrow, and the alt key I had to put a little bit of a wider key. On the Razer original, all four of them are the same size. So as you can see, the middle two are a little bit narrow. That's because I could not find an exact match for all four of them. They are labeled correctly though. This one is Control, Function, and Alt, except for this one, as I mentioned. But overall, it's fine. I'm still they were fine. They don't get stuck or forced in. All of the other keys also, they press pretty smoothly. But this one is a little, right there, you see it got stuck. I need to find a way to maybe shave the plastic inside a little bit with a knife or something. We'll see how I fix it. But overall, I am happy with the keys. Let's see. I'm going to turn off the lamp so I can turn on the RGB for the first time. This is my PC. It has a wave pattern playing right now. Changes colors, and it sweeps from the top of the RGB all the way to the bottom, and then follows through the keyboard to the mouse. So we'll see how it works for the first time. I'm going to connect it. There we go. It's getting recognized by the PC. Let's see. I have my computer on the lowest power setting, so it's a little bit slow right now. Let's see, I want to change it. It's not recognizing it. Hold on 1 second, let me check the cable on the other end. There we go. I'm gonna try to focus, yeah. So yeah, it's pretty cool, it's pretty amazing actually. I really like it. The spacebar is not lighting up. I'm guessing it's because, yeah, I remember the spacebar and the function keys. The spacebar and the function keys do not have RGB on Razer keyboards. I don't know why, it doesn't make any sense. But the rest of them, they do. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. I might go back to the original on the function key and the spacebar though, but the original black ones. Or just leave them, we'll see. But yeah, it looks pretty cool combined with the wave pattern. Let me change to another effect. Hold on. Let's see what we got here. Radar. I like the radar. The radar effect. Wait, it's combining the wave and the radar. But as you can see, it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty cool. Let me. Okay, that's another effect right there. That's kind of a rainbow fireflies. See how it looks from the top. Let's see another effect. Cyber rain. It looks pretty nice, combined with the mouse right there. Really like it. So there you go. Like I said, the name of the brand name, it's or brand, Chinese brand, XVX. Pretty good price. I mean, for what I paid for it, I can't complain. I mean, I got pretty much what I wanted. So there you go. Thank you so much and have a great day.